Hi, my name is Morgan Walton, and this is my video introduction for Module 1 of EDL 854, Building Finance. A little bit about me. I grew up in central Kansas, small town living. That's what I like. I graduated from Sterling High School in 2011, Sterling College in 2015. I have my ESL endorsement through Kansas State that I earned in May of 2018. This is my 5th year of teaching. All of those years have been in 2nd grade at my current school. A little bit about my family. I've been married for 5.5 years. We've been together for 11. I'm a proud line wife. My husband's a lineman. And if you've seen me in another class, you know that I'm a proud line wife, and I am always thankful for what they do. I have an almost 2-year-old daughter. Any and all advice is accepted. Excuse me. She's a spunky little thing, and I love her, but I know she's going to test me here shortly. My dad was a math teacher, and eventually he went on to receive his PhD in technology in the classroom. So education has always been a really important part of my family. While my mom never wanted to pursue education, she never thought that would be her best suit. She always made it evident that education was a very important part of your life, and that's how it helps you be successful later on. My current school, I'm currently teaching at Park Elementary in Lyons, Kansas. It's only 8 miles north of where I grew up in Sterling, so we were rivals in school, so it's been kind of fun. We are a pre-K through 2nd grade building, which is not really seen very often in Kansas, so it's been a struggle to find other schools to visit for our Gemini redesign project for that. But we are a Gemini 2 building. We are making a lot of changes, and we're doing amazing things here. I am currently the co-pilot for that project, so it's been a lot of work, but it's really helped me step into a leadership position with my building. We are 76% free and reduced. We're a very diverse small town with multiple languages spoken. Spanish is the second most popular after English. We do have Vietnamese, Italian, several different languages spoken in our community. So 10 things I learned. These quotes were pretty much stuck out to me almost immediately as soon as I read them. So the first one, some schools have very specific guidelines, and these quotes were really surprising to me because they're not how my current school works. So this is why I picked most of them, such as this first one. We don't have very specific guidelines set by our district, so our principal is able to basically allocate the funds. The second one, I said principals are often not able to solve building needs due to lack of funding involvement, which is very true, as stated in the quote. School districts are beginning to notice the need for a change and are making changes to their systems. That's incredible, and I think that's amazing change that's coming to education. Some districts are not as concerned with building level needs and seem to not want to cause disruptions, such as the quote stated that they do not want to disrupt the status quo, and the political challenges sometimes are insurmountable. Research is providing evidence that what many districts are currently doing is not working. It's time to make a change. This stuck out to me completely because if the research is showing that, then why are we continuing to do it? It's time for a change. We need to allow principals to help determine where money is spent. They know the needs of their schools and their students better than district-level administrators. Always, I believe that district-level administrators should have the final say. They should have the final approval as well as the school board. But I do believe that the building principals should have the main say. A few others, benefits outweigh the concerns with site or school-based management. Consistency is key, just like most things in education, and every district is completely different. So like I said before, my principal has almost complete control. Our superintendent and school board do have the final say, but he presents the project to them every month. My concern is, what if I screw it up? What if I do it wrong? How's that going to work? So I'm really looking forward to learning about that in this class. And here are my references. Thank you.